see it? A little jack part kind of this thing.
Oh, I see it, dude.
See it?
Yeah.
Right under where the pelican was.
That's a little jet. Look like Jack or Max or something to that effect. Oh, listen, you got a lady. Okay. Skunk out the boat. Oh yeah, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Nice little lady.
Huh?
It's a nice little, whoa, nice little lady. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like catching them like, yeah.
Not so dramatic.
I know, I got little poor man tarpon there. Thank you, sir. Yep. Oh yeah, this must be a Mac. A little tiny one. Yeah, little baby. I know they ain't around for sure. I had a big one earlier. Look, on the circle hook, yeah. Oh, he coughed it up, dude. You did have to do that. Oh my god. Alright, a little something there.
Oh, whoa.
Damn, must have been a Mackie, huh? What was that?
Hey, what's in Hey, little bro.
Is your drag super tight?
Well, that bitch hard as hell. Must be whatever that is. That was a hard hitter. Always nothing.
Little grind, okay. Fell here, pull. Could be a keep, but we good. Can actually keep these for good eating. Woo! He a chunker, boy.
Listen for one of those. No way.
Oh my goodness. Woo, you pulling. You bleeding like a mug. What you got?
A trout.
No way. Oh, good one. Flip him. Flip him.
Oh.
Yeah. Wow. Oh yeah, keep him over here.
Oh, they're both double up.
Both keepers, shit. Whoa, he's just going all over the spot, man. Wow, guys. Wow, wow, wow.
Whoa, look how pretty that is.
Oh, you got yours. You got yours. There you go. Here you go. You got your trouty. right? Got a decent trout. It's a trout there. Then a snapper. Yeah, right? Gonna be some good eating there. Where are they? Yeah, you tell he be hiding in them rocks, guys. Okay. You know, I'm like a master trout guy. 15 and a half. Y'all see? Let's see Mr. Snapper there, guys.
That's what I wanted.
I got another snapper in the house too. $12-incher. Yeah, you keep her too. Too good. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, he's a fat cheat. See how he was pulling? What? No, I don't think so. I don't think I crushed it. Oh, I'm sorry. You sure? I ain't feeling that. I'm right here. I don't think that me.
Oh, yeah.
He came off. Oh, no, he on.
Okay.
I think.
Not,
Ah, it's a lady. There we go, get some jump practice. What if a snook just came and whopped that mug? Yeah, I like me some lady fish fight. Some slight. Another lady.
No!
No. Oh, he didn't tell me. Oh, I thought he swallowed it. Oh, he came off?
It's sand better.
Take it, sir. Oh, taking up all my good bait, man. Get out of here, man. Taking everything. Dolphin, what? I haven't seen many dolphins today. They look cloudy and they must be swinging free beers this time. I did.
No wonder.
Yeah, everybody's chilling.
Alright.
And I got one for them. They ain't seen no dolphin yet.
Oh, that's big.
There we go. Full effect. And ladyfish are here. looks at the yeah, I heard that. He's a little heavy though. Whoa, 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 whoa. Perfect little hook for his little man. Look at that. Trout? No. Big hole, dude. Smacking. Oh, yeah. Mean hook set on him. Did you catch a cook on of these before? I get it one day, guys. Okay. Cheaper this time. Hook set. Trust my hook set. Heck, I need my son. First sheephead of the year for me. Well, this season, sad. Not of the year, but that was. Damn. Shitting his damn intestines something. Hey. Right here, y'all. We are ready. Another one. We finding them. Starting to. Uh-oh, guys, we're figuring them out. Yeah, I think the other one I have is definitely a sheephead. Okay, y'all. Little baby. I'm ready now. I gotta switch out my battery, guys. It died right then on me. I think you guys heard that. Whoa, that hook set, for sure. That was beauty. Did you hear that hook set? My hook sets are gonna be mean this year, guys. Thank you.
Wow.